Alright, so I'm going to give a personal reflection of this book. One more shot of Oogie, cute little guy. And my personal reflection is that I really like this book because it's very simple and it's very easy to connect to. It's just family of four: Larry, Jennifer, the mom and dad, and Dan and Noah are the kids. And it's just like an average family doing like above average things, you know. It's they rescued this dog, and he just totally transformed their lives. And the reason I like it is because it's so easy to connect to. The chapters were short, short pages, and it was like very simple and just straightforward. It wasn't like symbolism or it wasn't fiction. It was all fact. You could believe it 100%. And I just love dogs, and I love animals, and just reading about them and how they can transform people's lives is just incredible. And Oogie's a great dog, and this was a great book, and I'm really glad I read it.